Hey, what's up, guys? Winston with MoveUp. We're here at the Moving Titan Retreat in Tampa. I'm here with one of our good clients, Josh Shipman, out of Carolina. Josh, tell us about your experience with MoveUp. What's been the game changer? Share with the crowd.
Sure, I'd be more than happy to. You said out of Carolina, but it's North Carolina and South Carolina.
Right.
So with having 4 branches, trying to make sure that they're all staffed on a regular basis, MoveUp has been the ticket for me. Winston set it up so that I could move from branch to branch as hiring needs became present so that we were able to really get the staff in at the location when needed. The process that they go through eliminates so much of the footwork on my end. The applicants that are coming in, they've already answered some questions. They are not surprised that they're going to be going on a moving truck. So it really cuts out a lot of the nonsense that goes along with posting Indeed ads, getting people that are unqualified or unwilling to do the job of being a mover, which we know it takes a unique individual. So narrowing the funnel to people who are actually good applicants for the truck has been the biggest asset. And then Hunter and Winston, being able to call them at any time, being able to talk to them, they're present, they have great industry knowledge, and they're constantly giving me tips and suggestions on how to do things a little bit better. They're innovative in their field, and I'm excited for what they have to come. So, if you haven't given them a shot, if you haven't talked to them, I highly encourage you to do that, especially if you have multiple locations and you got too much on your plate, because, time is money, and being able to staff up the location so that they can fill the needs of the customers is really key in being successful.